Oasis balcony ship tour. We are on deck 11, room 724. Here are the first views of the room. I forget what layout this is called, but we have the couch here and the bed near the balcony. I do like this layout a little bit better. It's easier to get into our closet. When the bed is here, it's just a little bit of a tight squeeze, but it's not that big of a deal. Lots of hangers available, a safe. It doesn't fit a normal size iPad, but we like to store our money and passports in there. You just set it with your own code. Some shelving here, always good to keep your room keys on there. A little desk area, I'd like to do my makeup here. We do not have our luggage yet. It's about 2 p.m., but this is usually a good time to unpack if you do. Regular outlets here, and there are other ones down there. This bed, I believe, turned into a cot, but we probably won't need that. And we have a bed. This is 2 singles put together. When I'm on with my sister, usually we just have them separated, but we'll keep these together for now. Maybe. And we did get the balcony room. Maybe it's a sure slide. It's a slide. 2 chairs and a table. We'll probably have some breakfast out here one morning. And the beautiful Port of Miami. We have a Norwegian Encore right behind us. 2 Carnival ships in the background, and then a smaller Royal Caribbean ship. I didn't get a good view at it, but and we have our washroom, same as any royal ship if you've been on. A shower. Some good storage under here. Storage up there. All right, the last final cleanup of the room. Everything is all cleared out. Was a perfect room for our cruise. We absolutely loved the balcony, of course.